This 2025 Tiffin Open Road Allegro 32 SAW is a Class A RV. It is located in Orange Park, FL 32073 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Tiffin is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 70 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2025 Tiffin Open Road Allegro 32 SAW is built on a Ford F53 Super Duty chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.